What's going on YouTube? It's your boy RoyalKingBrian, aka Brian, and today we are back with another modification video to my BMW 328 F30 2013. As you guys can remember from the last video, we modified the grille. We got the black grille going on now. Looking fire. Oh yeah, looking fire. And today, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to put projector lights on the door, on the bottom of the door. So if you're excited to see this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us make more videos and shows us exactly what it is that you want to see in the next video. Please give it a comment if you want to know more information on where I got the projector lights, what kind of projector lights I use, and etc, etc, etc. So like I said, it's your boy RoyalKingBrian. Now let's start with the modding. Pow! First things first, shout out to my baby. Shout out to my Grullon.Dynasty. Shout out to Chris. Anyway, as you guys can see, there's some lights right there. These are regular plain lights that every BMW has. And the only tool that we really need to change it is a flathead screwdriver. We just gonna put this in here. Some dude was looking at me. He's trying to see what I was doing. All we need is a flathead screwdriver, and we're basically gonna just pop out the lights. So I'm gonna see if I can get that for you. So basically, I won't be able to do it with one hand, but we're basically gonna be doing this, popping it out. So I'm gonna work on popping it out for you right now. So as you guys can see, we popped it out. Now we just got to unplug it. Let's see how we do that. So as you guys can see, you just pull out the light. Honestly, it comes out right away. So that's that. And now we got to connect our new light. And that's it. As you can see, once you connect it, it's honestly very simple. You connect to the first two that you see. You connect the other two right here. And as you can see, it turns on. Right now it's too bright, but you can kind of see like the little light. I'm gonna come back at nighttime and open the door at night so you can see that. Now let's go do it to the other door. But I am gonna show you, this is the lights that I bought, 3D shadow light, in case anyone's looking. And if you do want to see a closer look, I just put it on the box. And that's how it's gonna look. But like I said, I'm gonna come back at nighttime just so we can take a full look at how it looks. Now let's go do this to the other side. Can't wait to see this at nighttime. I'm so excited. Yeah, so like I said, we're gonna do this to the other door now. Now it's the driver's seat. And I'm gonna just repeat the steps really, really quick again so you guys can see, so you guys don't gotta rewind. Let's gonna get a flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver, put it on the light, pop out the light. After about 3 seconds, 5 seconds, you pop out this light. This light comes out. Then you just disconnect it by pulling on it very hard. From here and here, you pull on it. Then it's just the easiest step. You connect this, 2 in, 2 out, and then you just plug it in. Then honestly, the easiest steps, I think the hardest step to me was honestly just pulling out the light. Then you just connect this, put it at the door, put it up, and it should be done. And that's it, the light is connected. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. Let me see if I can show you how it looks like. I'm trying to find like a darker spot. You see? BMW right there. And just make sure you put it facing up the right direction. You can't see it now because it's too bright. And that's that. The light is connected. Projector. Just made your car look 20 times more sick in the summertime, in the nighttime, my bad. And that's how you see, like, it was gonna look similar to that. It's just my wallet, but you guys can see. Can't wait to show you guys at nighttime, so I will come back at nighttime now and do this. And the car looks sick, y'all. So this was by far the easiest installation. It took 10 minutes probably to do. And it costs, I think I paid $10 for the projector. So $10, 10 minutes, car looks way better at nighttime. Now, let's just wait till the sun goes down. All right, y'all, so this is how it looks once it starts getting a little darker. It's not completely dark outside, but I wanted to just come out now and see, like, when is it that it's gonna start showing. As you can see, it's still pretty bright outside, but it's already showing. Again, I have it here in the driver's side of the door, and I also have it on the passenger side of my door. 10 minutes for $10, make your car look 10 times better. This is honestly probably one of my favorite things about it. And as you can see, as you move the door, it goes on. I'm outside the car. That's how it looks. It looks amazing. I'm super happy. So I recommend it. BMW projector lights, amazing. Fire. Okay, y'all, so it was too dark outside and it was way too noisy. So I had to come inside just to finish up the video. But basically, the projector lights came out amazing. 10 minutes, $10, get your car looking 10 times more fire. I recommend you guys do it. We do have more modifications coming up. The next one that I'm doing to the car is about in a week, maybe 2, depending on the person and the location. But if you want to see more modification to my BMW F30, so you can do it to yours. And modifications that I'm doing to my car, the mods that I'm doing to my car could be done to a lot of BMWs, not just the 3 Series, 4 Series. Could be done to the 5, 6, 7. Could be done to 2006 cars all the way to 2018 cars. So make sure you check in, you leave a comment, subscribe. It helps us point in the direction that you guys want to see. As you guys can already tell, this channel is about 3 things. It's about cars, it's about building a business, and it's about vlogging with my partner, RoyalQueenDanely. So, it's your boy RoyalKingBrian. This was another video about my BMW, modifying it. We got more mods coming soon, like I said. Peace, y'all. Have a good one. And just like the TV says, build your empire. Dynasty. The royal family, y'all. Bonus footage. I just wanted to come outside when it was a little darker and see how it looks. It looks amazing. Honestly, it's probably turning into one of my favorite features about the car. And I just got it today. Between the kidney grill, the new one, and the projector lights right now, it's looking amazing. So I recommend it. If you want to see more, remember subscribe and watch out for the next video. Peace.